Hello and welcome to the video lecture on carbonyl functional group. Dear students, before study IUPAC rules for naming the carbonyl compounds, you must know the different types of carbonyl functional groups. So let's see the learning outcomes. The learning outcomes for this video is you will be able to explain different types of carbonyl functional group. Carbonyl group, a chemical organic functional group which contain carbon oxygen double bond. It means the carbon forms double bond with oxygen. That functional group is called as carbonyl functional group. The oxygen atom in carbonyl group is called as carbonyl oxygen, and carbon atom in carbonyl group is called as carbonyl carbon atom. You know very well the carbonyl group is C double bond O, and if this carbonyl functional group is present in any compound, then that compound is called as carbonyl compound. Hence, a compound containing carbonyl group is called as carbonyl compound, such as aldehydes, ketones, carboxylic acids and carboxylic acid derivatives. So let's see about the aldehyde. The carbonyl carbon atom is bonded to one hydrogen and one alkyl group, then that functional group is called as aldehyde functional group, and it is written as RCHO, that is R C double bond OH, in which carbonyl group is attached to alkyl groups and one hydrogen atom. On the other hand, another functional group is ketone, in which the carbonyl carbon atom is always bonded to two alkyl groups, means it does not contain hydrogen. So that alkyl groups may be the same or may be the different. So let's see the difference between aldehyde and ketone. In case of aldehyde, the carbonyl functional group is attached to the hydrogen, but in case of ketone, the carbonyl group does not attach the hydrogen atom. Instead of hydrogen, the carbonyl group carbon atom is always bonded to alkyl groups. So if you replace H from alkyl group, then it will aldehyde converts to ketones. Let's see carboxylic acids. Any organic compound which contain carboxyl functional groups is called as carboxylic acid, that is COOH. So C double bond OH. So we can say that the carbonyl functional group is bonded to the alkyl and hydroxyl group, then it is called as carboxylic acid. As it contains the carbonyl functional groups and hydroxyl functional groups. So name derived from the fusion of these two functional group is carboxyl. So this carboxyl word derived from carbonyl and hydroxyl, as carboxylic acid having both of these groups, so that's why the name of this functional group is carboxyl functional groups. So let's see about the carboxylic acid derivatives. The hydroxyl groups in a carboxyl group is replaced by another group. So you have to just replace this OH with any kinds of halides, then it is called as acyl halides. It is represented by the general formula. So here you can see OH is replaced by X. If the H of hydroxyl group is replaced by acyl groups, then it is called as anhydrides. Let's see, oxygen is written as it is, but hydrogen is replaced by the acyl group. So this is acyl group. So if hydrogen of carboxylic groups is replaced by acyl groups, then it is called as anhydride. Or in other case, if the hydrogen is replaced with the alkyl groups, then it is called as ester. Or you can say in another words, hydroxyl groups, that is OH group, is replaced by alkoxy groups. Just see, alkyl plus oxygen. So alkyl plus oxy, alkoxy. So if OH is replaced by alkoxy groups, then it becomes esters, that is R C double bond O O R. And last, if suppose this hydroxyl group is replaced by amino group, then it is called as amide. So amide may be the substituted or unsubstituted. Unsubstituted means what? The OH is replaced by NH2, and substituted means what? OH is replaced by substituted amine. So acyl halides, anhydrides, esters and amides are the carboxylic acid derivatives. So we have seen the aldehydes, ketones, carboxylic acid. In aldehydes, the carbonyl group is attached to alkyl groups and hydrogen atoms. It is represented by the general formula RCHO. In ketone, this hydrogen of aldehyde is replaced with alkyl groups, then it will become ketonic functional groups. It is represented by RCOR. If the hydrogen atom in aldehyde group is replaced by hydroxyl groups, that is carbonyl group is attached alkyl and hydroxyl groups, then that functional group is called as carboxylic acid, and it is represented by the general formula RCOOH. And in case of carboxylic acid derivatives, this hydroxyl group is replaced by the halides, then it is called as acyl halide, represented by RCOX. If it is replaced by alkoxy groups, then it is called as ester, RCOOR. If the hydroxyl group is replaced by amine group, then that functional group is called as amide, represented by RCONH2. If hydroxyl group is replaced by the acyl plus oxygen, then it is called as anhydrides, and it is represented by RCOO, COR. So this is all about the carbonyl functional groups. Happy learning. Don't forget to subscribe the YouTube channel and press bell icon.